Hey everyone, we are going to show you what a deluxe studio room looks like here at the Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. So let's take a peek. All right, now as we first walk in, you can see we have plenty of space. Right here we have a full-length mirror on a door that leads to another studio. So if you need connecting rooms, need a little bit more space, more people, then you do have that option here at the studios. Now before we go and look at the bedroom and everything it has to offer, we're going to pay a visit to bathroom number 1 of this room. And yes, I say bathroom number 1 because there are 2 bathrooms in these rooms, which is very unique for a studio. All right, so as we turn in here, we are met with some nice artwork. We are met with a nice vanity and sink, and then you have a shower and tub combo, as well as a toilet. Oh, damn, sorry, Justin. Anyways, all right, so we also have a nice little kitchenette, if you will. It comes equipped with a microwave, real coffee maker, a toaster, and a cooler, an actual refrigerator cooler, not just a beverage cooler. So it will go a little bit lower temperatures than the other moderates or the value resorts. And then you do have plates and stuff in there for you, cups, all that jazz. So nice little setup here for the little kitchenette. All right, so moving into the living space now, we are met with a nice sized TV along with a pull down bed. We'll show you that in a minute here. You just kind of pull that down and you got a nice little picture of Lilo and Stitch passed out there on the hammock. Really nice. And it's easy just to lift that right back up and it goes there. Continuing on, you have a nice table and chairs along with the Hey Disney and this nice little lamp of Maui the Tiki.
I'll ask Alexa for that.
Thanks, Hey Disney.
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
She doesn't have an answer. Anyways, moving on to the queen bed. It is on a raised platform, so you can store some things underneath if you need to. But nice queen size bed, pretty comfortable. End tables raised as well on each side. And you also have this Murphy style bed. It's a couch primarily during the day, but if you need it, you can flip it down and it becomes another queen size bed for you. All right, and making our way to the balcony. We are on the 3rd floor. We are in the Monorail building. This is a standard view room. So we have a nice view of the lush landscape here at the Polynesian. And we are steps away from TTC, which is also very convenient for you if you're going to Magic Kingdom or using that transportation over there in general. And just listen how serene and quiet it is out here. Super nice, super relaxed. The vibes. You have a couple of nice chairs out here as well, along with a little table. You can just sit out here and enjoy, which we will be very soon. All right, and I want to show you, before we go, I want to show you what the Murphy bed looks like folded down and show you that second bathroom. All right, now let's take a look at the bed and what it looks like when it's folded down, Murphy style. As you can see, plenty of room. All right, heading over to that second bathroom. Remember the nice vanity? And oh my God, Justin, what are you doing? Sorry about that, everyone. Well, there you have it. There are the deluxe studio rooms at the Polynesian Villas and Bungalows here at the Polynesian Resort. If you want to stay here, visit our friends at DVC Rental Store. They can help you book this room much cheaper than with Disney rates. So if you want to click that affiliate link down in the description, go ahead and do it. It'll let them know we sent you and you can save money on your next Disney vacation. Follow along for more.